Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print balance sheet on QuickBooks. So first is head over to QuickBooks and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, hover your mouse and click on Reports. Next, under Business Overview section, click on Balance Sheet. Now from here, you can see an overview of your balance sheet on the date to day. Now, if you're looking for a specific balance sheet, you can just head over and use the search filter. You can filter it out with a report period and date ranging from and date ranging to and the accounting method if it's accrual or cash. Now from here, make sure that the balance sheet is containing all details and balances all correct and accurate. And once done, you can proceed by printing this by clicking on the print icon. Now here's a preview on how it will look like when printed. Choose an orientation between portrait or landscape and scaling, but this is recommended for print. Now you have an option to save this file as PDF or proceed with printing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!